fix virus and threat protection not showing on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix virus and threat protection not showing on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your command prompt. So search for CMD at first and then go with run as administrator. And you need to click on yes, and it will take you to the command prompt. Now on your command prompt, you need to enter 3 commands. So the first command goes like cd space percentage program files percentage \windows space defender, and then hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, it might take a few seconds, and after that you need to go with the second command, which is exit, and then hit the enter. And once you've done it, now again search for CMD and then go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and again open up your CMD and again go with the next command, which is DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and then hit the enter again and hit the enter. And this might take a few minutes. So while it loads to 100%, you just need to simply go with the next steps, which is right click on your Windows and then go with the settings option. Now under settings, you need to go with Windows security, which is under your privacy and security, and then go with Windows security section. Now under Windows security, you can go with open Windows security, and here you may have the settings section, which is on the bottom left. Under your settings, you will have background apps permissions, right? So you just need to simply search for it, which is background app permissions. Or if you don't find the option of background apps, then you just need to simply go with the apps section and then go with your default apps and then find your Windows security. Or you can just go with the installed apps. You may have your Windows security, just click on it and then you will have the background app permissions, and set your background app permissions to power optimized or always. Never choose the option of never. And the other thing you need to do is you just need to simply go with search and search for GP edit and hit the enter, and it will have the edit group policy section under your control panel. So open up your edit group policy, go with administrative templates, and under your administrative templates you will have Windows components. Just click on Windows components or double click on it and you'll have all of these options. So you just need to simply find Windows security right here, and you just need to simply click on Windows security, and under your Windows security you will have virus and threat protection. And once you find the virus and threat protection, double click on it and you can just go and enable the option. Make sure that it is enabled. And after that, the final step you need to do is right click on your Windows and then you will have the registry editor right here. You can go with it, or you can just simply go with search and you will find registry editor. Just simply search for registry editor, click on it and then click on yes. And here you just need to simply go with HK local machine, and under that you need to go with system, and after that go with current control set under your system, which is right here. Under your current control set, go with services. Once you open up your service, which is right here, once you click on it, now you just need to simply scroll down and you need to find a service which is WSC SVC. And once you click on it, here on the right side you will have the start option. You just need to simply double click on the start. Once you double click on it, you will have the value data, right? So make sure that the value data is 2 and not the 0. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply remove the value data and then enter 0, and after that go with OK. Once you apply all of these solutions, and if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply close your command prompt which you had previously, and then you need to restart your device, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.